How perfect is this? A purple and blue Pulse bus, which goes straight to O'Hare. Lavender think that's kind of fitting. Hopping in here in downtown Des Plaines. Up, and here comes the train. Oh, this is perfect. I'll show you our train. Here she comes. Our double-decker train here in Chicagoland. This is the coolest thing. You ride upstairs if you can. I think it's super cool when you walk up those staircases just to the second level. It's worth it just actually pay the fare and take the train ride to end. That's a lot of fun. So I actually recall that reading a billboard or one of the advertisements on the Metra that it actually has been scientifically shown to decrease your blood pressure. I can attest to that. It's so peaceful riding into the loop. It's just how everything should be. There she goes. Planes, trains, and plenty of automobiles here in downtown Des Plaines. Bye, Metra. Peace out, aviators.